Hey, it's Dan from Beaver Brewing Company, and today we are making beer bread. Yes, beer bread. Have you tried getting yeast anywhere lately? It's impossible. It's out of sale everywhere. Amazon, Giant Eagle, Whole Foods, everywhere. You can't get yeast. So we're going to make bread without yeast, and we're going to put some fresh herbs in there. This rosemary actually doesn't look too bad. Got some parsley, got some thyme. So we're going to be making beer bread. Yes, bread without yeast, just beer. Awesome stuff. Let's see what ingredients we need for it. Okay, so what ingredients do we need? 2 3/4 cups of flour, 1.5 cups of shredded cheese, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 12 ounces of beer. Saisons are great for it. Our Summer Ails ale, which we're releasing this Friday and is available online. 3 tablespoons of sunflower seeds. Those are completely optional, but if you have it with sunflower seeds, you will never have bread again without sunflower seeds. Very simple. These are 9x5 bread pans. Just about everybody's got them. You want to grease these babies up. We're going to do one. We're going to do this light one with non-stick spray. And we're going to do this other one with butter. See if there's any difference. While we're waiting, why don't we preheat our oven to 375 degrees. We're gonna sift in our 2 3/4 cups of flour, dump in our 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 2 or 3 tablespoons of sunflower seeds will be good. We chopped up our tablespoon or so of rosemary, we're gonna add that now too. We're gonna give our forearms a go to work out and grate out about 1.5 cups of really sharp cheddar. Half the cheese that I add is gonna be orange shredded cheese, just to give it a little bit of a different color. Now it's time to add the beer. We're gonna add 12 ounces of beer. At this point, it doesn't look pretty, I get it, but we're gonna put this in our bread pan, and in about an hour, you're going to get what I'm talking about. We're gonna put this gingerly into our bread pan. Listen, it's not gonna look 100% uniform in here. That's okay, just spread it out, get as evenly distributed as you can. I'm gonna sprinkle some sunflower seeds on top. Put this in your preheated oven on the middle rack. We're gonna put that in there for 55 minutes. So how do you know when it's done? 55 minutes is a good guess, but if you wanna be 100% sure, get a thermometer. 210 degrees is what it needs to be at. Just to prove to you that the bread actually does rise, the one on the left has been there for 15 minutes. The one on the right, we just put in there. So that bread will rise, don't panic. Without the yeast, it's still gonna work. All right, that's in the middle of the bread. 203, 204, that's good enough for us. We're gonna let this cool in the loaf pan for about 10 minutes. So we're gonna take it out, put it on our cooling rack, let it hang out there. There you go, look at that, nice bread. See the steam coming off of it. Nice and firm. You can see the herbs in it. Comes out perfect. Remember, we used one with butter and one with canola oil spray on. No difference, nothing sticks to either pan. Both worked perfect. The other bread we made was a butter garlic bread. We added a little bit of butter to it in the pan, and we also added a bunch of garlic chives and some regular chopped up garlic. It smells pretty awesome. You know what? Here's a hot take. Fuck the keto diet, okay? Gluten is wonderful. It's awesome. Do it in moderation, I get it. That was super easy. We didn't need yeast. We didn't need to sit there and let it rise or anything. That stuff is delicious. You know what? You made it for a couple bucks. Flour, salt, sugar, you probably have all that stuff sitting at home. We have our Summer Ails ale with apricot. It's a Saison. Online right now at beaverbrewingcompany.com. Go there, you can order it. If you live in Pennsylvania, we'll ship it directly to your house. If you don't live in Pennsylvania, move here and we can ship it to you. But thank you. Have a great day. Have a great time. Enjoy life.